Hi friends, so today I'm here at a 4-bedroom townhouse at Mira Oasis 2. So this is the 4-bedroom townhouse and I'm standing right outside with 2 parkings area, and this is the outside view. You can see the community is fully developed and people have already been living in this community. So this particular townhouse is 4-bedroom and it's type E. So let me show you the living area first. This is the living area, and this is the kitchen. If you see, kitchen is quite big enough and lots of storage spaces are there. Literally lots of storage spaces on both left side as well as on the right side. There is a passage from this kitchen because maid's room is behind the kitchen. You can see once you cross the kitchen, this is the maid's room. And if you ask me, the plot size of this particular community is huge. It's around 3100 square feet and the built up is around 2850 square feet. So this is the backyard I'm entering in. It's a huge plot. The speciality of this particular 4-bedroom townhouse, not only it comes with maid's room but also it comes with a study room, which is an added advantage. There is a small wall for the stairs. Now, this is the study room which I was talking about, and also it is bright, plus it has got the access towards the garden. You can see this door opens towards the garden. Border room. Now let me go upstairs. On the first floor, rest 4 bedrooms are placed. In this, 2 bedrooms are with attached washrooms and 2 of them will share a common washroom. So this is the master bed. Comes with a balcony as well. Mira Oasis 2 is well accessible from Emirates Road, E611 as well as Al Qudra Road near the cycling track. So this is the backyard. Mira Oasis 2 is developed by MR Properties. You can see the quality, finishing, everything is amazing. Closet and the washroom with double sink. Has got bathtub. Good spacious unit. With 2850 square feet and 3100 plot size, it is a very good option in Mira Oasis 2. So this is the second bedroom, storage space. The second and third bedroom will be shared with a common washroom. So this is the third bedroom. The unit is ready and you can move in immediately. So this is the common washroom for second and third bedroom. Comes with a standing shower. And now this is the fourth bedroom. The fourth bedroom also comes with attached washroom. Now I have finished my tour of this 4-bedroom townhouse at Mira Oasis 2. If you have any questions regarding the community Mira Oasis or the townhouse, the layouts, the different sizes, availabilities, if you have any queries, feel free to give me a call on the given number. I will reach out to you immediately. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Feel free to reach me out on the mentioned number. I am available on WhatsApp as well. Thanks for watching this video.